Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, fuel efficient, and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, Toyota Entune, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2019 Sienna. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.